Hi guys, Adam from Novicell. I'm doing a quick intro video on our behavioral targeting slash footprinting thing for Umbraco 7. Um, First of all, the whole concept is you have some users that visit your site. They might have some footprints, uh, i.e. their browser or a refer header or something that we want to track, and then add that to the session and basically show them some different content based on their behavior or their device or where they came from. So very basic stuff, but we try to make it simple so it will actually be used in the real world. Okay, anyways, this is the small rocket is behavioral targeting thing right now. We have some segments. Here we have a buyer, or season card holder, or a test, and some mobile users. And we also have some Campari lovers, which I'm gonna edit. So within like these segments, we can go in and create criterias that will match and have criteria groups. So these are criteria that are or, and this will be an and. So the search here is a Campari factor and the Chrome browser. And there's behind all of this is a MongoDB, and it'll look into the Mongo and see, okay, how many visitors has this Campari factor and Chrome. So that's 1.64%. So I guess if we change the browser to, if we just remove that, we have 0, which is strange. But anyways, I think you get the picture. Um, and there are no Safari users in this. Chrome, yeah, Campari factor, if we put it down a bit, nah, we need to be there. Okay, anyways, this is sample data. But there are multiple properties that you can set up, the browser operating system, age, and awesomeness, for example. So the whole idea is that you set up these segments, and they're pretty easy to set up for a regular webmaster person, as long as you have your data. That's where geeks come in. But anyways, all these properties are code first. Some of them are for footprinting and some of them are behavior based. So a footprint would be the browser, for instance. I'm not going to show you all the code behind right now. It'll be available later on, but yeah. The whole idea is that you do something like user agent, and you can name it browser or whatever you want, so the user will actually understand what's happening. And yeah, you can do strings on that. Okay, anyways, to the exciting part, because once you've set this up as a user, you have your actions you can set up, which would be if you have some kind of commerce and you sell tickets, you would like to send an email 7 days before they visit, or the venue is 7 days before Code Garden, for instance. Here's the Campari lovers. If we had an email property, which we don't have right now, I guess. No, we removed that. Awesome. Then we could send an email to them. That's just a sample action that we want to do, something that's scheduled or happens behind the scenes. But anyways, we now have these segments, so we can go to our content and try and find the home node. And we were inspired by the Vorto translation thingy. So basically, any property editor, grid as well, can have these things around them that is called segmented content. So I can click on, if I want to segment this text, I'll just select which segments I want to affect. So if I want another title for my mobile users, because it might be too long for a mobile device, or if I want something awesome for the Campari lovers, and if a user is in both segments, the Chrome plus Campari and mobile, for instance, which is not that many, but it could be, we'll just prioritize by moving up and down and choose save, and then it will copy the content from no segment to the other one. So mobile, I could do a shorter version. just go starter or kit from Umbraco, and this one could be awesomeness, Campari, something, yes. So, but that's basically it, and that's all you have to do as a regular user. You'll have your segments that are defined by yourself or your in-house geek or Umbraco dude. So that's the whole idea, and we really want this to be simple and easy to use for a basic run-of-the-mill content editor. So yeah, and we'll provide it for the community free and whatever open sourcey we think. So but yeah, comments are welcome. Thank you.